Alright, y'all, so, I'm selling the first gen. Well, no, I mean the square body. I didn't really like it, so I'm actually gonna build a second gen. So, let's sell this, sell vehicle for 19,000. Okay, let's go to the dealership. Buy the first gen. Alrighty, so we got that done. I'm gonna upgrade it. Because obviously, you don't buy something without upgrading it. You have to upgrade it. Like, I watch a lot of people build stuff sometimes, not even upgrade it. I'm just like, you got to upgrade it. There's no sense in putting a big old lift if you can't turn them tires. So, there it is. It's fully upgraded now. Now we're going to get to customization. So, obviously, I want no, I don't need fender. Do I need to, no, I'm gonna put the bed on it. No. I don't know. See, I actually have this truck in real life. It don't have a light bar, but like back here on the headache rack, it actually does have a light bar. So since I can't put that, I'm just gonna go ahead and go without that. Usually I would put a snorkel on it, but the truck in real life actually don't have a snorkel. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a winch on it. It has an exhaust tip, but they need to add on this game where you can just have just a regular tip coming out the rear end, because like you can never get that anymore on this game. It's always stacks. It's kind of annoying if you ask me. It's not my favorite. Yes, we do have tint on this truck, just a little bit. The truck is actually white. It's straight white. Rims, it actually has ones that look kind of like these circle rims. If you've ever seen a 06 stock truck, those are the rims that's on it, because those are just what we wanted. And it has them Iron Man tires on it. They're not very good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the trail bosses they look like, I wanna say. I mean, I know that's not what they are, but that's just what I'm gonna call them. And then, so it's a 3500 as you can already obviously see, because it has the duals in the back, obviously. So, I don't know. I think I'm probably just gonna put 24 valve on it. Custom text, Cummins, 24 valve. There we go. That looks pretty good. Okay, so apparently Cummins is a bad word. So I'll just put 24 valve, which should work. Oh shoot, that's way too big. Just put that right there. Yes, that looks very good. I really like that. Hold on, let's go back to that. Duplicate it. I'm gonna move it to the other side, because I want them to be exact. Hopefully this will work. I think it should. There we go. It's looking pretty good. If I can tilt it a little bit. Oh God. Okay. Oh shoot. Did I really just do that? No. Duplicate. And move to the other side. Alright. There we go. We got that done. 24 valve. Perfect. I honestly don't know why I couldn't put Cummins. That don't make very good sense to me, but you know, whatever. Check. Okay, they don't look too bad. Now, this truck in real life, it actually came with, it looks like some pretty good little bit of lift on it. I honestly very like this truck. It has 75 horse injectors on it. Okay, so probably now let's go to tuning. stiffness. Upgrade the suspension 1. I think should work. Not for sure. Stiffness. Let's raise that up. Travel. Whoa, way too tall. Probably 35 would work. Front end. Travel 35. I may put, yeah, I think that looks good. I think that looks really good. Oh, yes. Let's stance that out a little bit. There we go. I don't want too much, but I want a little bit. Because this truck in real life, it actually has 2-inch spacers on the back because it's actually running on 3512 wides. Let's see. Wheels radius. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Tell me what y'all think. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. So now let's, oh shoot, it's all set. So I gotta, just drop that down probably about that. Right there. That looks better. That looks so much better. Wait a minute. What? It's radius 1.1. Radius 1.1. Okay. Okay. Never mind. Yeah, that actually looks pretty good. Them rims, I need to paint them black. They're black. Whoa. They're kind of like a rusted black, but I guess that's good. Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Look at my thing.
So let's take it out.
It's cool, isn't it? Right now I'm doing
Probably just gonna go. Wait, shoot! I forgot this truck is actually a standard, so I'm gonna swap it to standard real quick. Gearbox, and let's just do gold, whatever. Single player, and let's just take it to. Okay, I ain't got good service right now. Single player. Let's just go to stunt part. Should work. Oh, I love it. It looks good. I think it looks very good. Okay, let's drive. Dang. This update with the smoke, it actually looks a ton better. It rolls more. I think, hopefully, I want to say the more power you get, the more it smokes on the game. It's not exactly like that in real life. Actually, a pretty good truck. I like it. Alright, so I guess for the last, let's do a smoke contest. Or just a smoke out. Smoke it forever.